And now we need to assemble our flowers, which I'm going to do with some green florist tape, and I'm going to use a longer piece of wire to actually start assembling them onto. So I'm going to take a couple of small ones first, put them at the top. You see I've twisted these into shapes that will give a bit of movement. A little bit of tape left over there, which isn't very good. If that happens, just roll it back in and then pull the tape back up to the top again so that it reaches the leaf. So I'm going to tape those together, and I've left enough of their stems so that I can actually move them around, so that when I finish the arrangement I can put them into the position I want to. I'm going to put a flower. Now these tend to hang down a little bit, so you need a little bit more stem on them. Perhaps another leaf in there, so I've staggered them down the stems so far, just a little bit of tape. So if you see, there's one higher, one that comes about 3/4 of the way, and again that one comes to about 3/4 of the way up the lower leaf. I'm going to put another one on there. So in actual fact they're about equal in their position. I'll put another leaf in there. As I say, leave a bit of stem so that you can put them into the position you want to afterwards and they look more natural. That one's coming about just to where the petals are folding out there. Another leaf on there. And another flower. And again that's coming about level with that leaf there. I put a larger leaf on next. And another flower. Again, this one's coming about level with the base of those petals. And you can do several of these stems and make them into an arrangement for your cake. And they tend to hang down a bit. Oh, well, that's not a very good idea, is it? Okay, I'll take that one out and we'll put another one in. So yes, you have to be very, very careful with them, because until they've been kept for about a week, the petals don't get very hard. So that makes a nice little arrangement for you, and you can make several of these stems and put them onto a cake. Just try not to break the petal off, as I did, because it's easily done. So yeah, make a really pretty arrangement. Okay, if I turn it the other way, perhaps you can have a better view of it that way. Really pretty. Okay.